If you have frizzy, dry or rough hair, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to be sharing my top 2 hair serums for frizzy hair. First one's by BBlunt. This is their Intense Moisture Hair Serum and this has a very lightweight consistency. It's like an oil and water consistency which is so easy to work with. It blends so nicely into the hair, making the hair all soft and silky, and it also removes tangles and adds a beautiful shine to the hair. The second serum that I have is by L'Oreal Paris. This is their Extraordinary Oil Serum and this has a thicker consistency